lot of my employees have been with me over 20 years. These guys are the natural craftsmen. We combine natural craftsmen with modern technology, with up-to-date engineering practices to give the owner the highest performing building available in today's market. The common sense smarts of my workers is incredible. They're constantly amazing.
We know we are going to get the highest quality product. There's no chance that you're going to get a subcontractor who doesn't perform or some labor on the site that's unfamiliar with what we're doing. Having a team on there who's going to self-perform all that concrete work, all that steel work, it's a tremendous team to have together.
Bedrock preaches teamwork, and that's exactly what I saw. The owner was on the job. He had 4 or 5 other men that knew exactly what to do. I saw them place these huge concrete pieces perfectly in place. They worked as a team.
We offer a very inclusive scope. It starts with the structural engineering. Bedrock takes on the responsibility for the structural engineering for the building. Every aspect is self-performed by Bedrock Concrete Corp.
What we really love about Bedrock is that they are a self-performed contractor that's self-performing foundations for us, self-performing slab on grade, self-performing the building wall panels, and self-performing the structural steel. It's really a beautiful turnkey package for us.
The entire Bedrock team, from the personnel in the field to the management in the back office, they take great pride in ensuring that the finished product exceeds your expectations. Just as good as the workmanship, so is the level of service that they use in delivering that finished product.
By keeping things simple, it adds a lot to the project. Early on, it allows my estimators to give a pretty hard budget number with very little detail from the owner.
Working with Bedrock was a very simple method. We'd give them my ideas, we would talk with the contractor along with the structural engineer, come up with a viable solution that was economical and cost effective, and then go into the design phases preliminarily at first, and then into more specific items such as shop drawings. It worked very easily. It was a pleasant process.
As a design-build firm, we view Bedrock as a vital part of our design-build process. They bring solutions to the discussion that not only save time and money, but oftentimes allow a project to come off the ground.
There's 3 major factors in the cost of a building. There's the upfront cost. This seems to be everybody's main interest. But there's 2 other factors that are very important. What is it going to cost you to maintain this building? And the cost of utilities. You have a solid, reinforced concrete structure. There really is very little maintenance. As far as cost of utilities, we offer a composite, fully insulated, tilt-up panel. It outperforms any system in today's market.
One of the biggest problems that we had was convincing the town that the dogs that would be in our facility would be quiet enough where it would not be a nuisance to the neighbors. Having decided to do the tilt-up construction with the concrete walls, we have found that literally no noise is escaping from the building.
Surprisingly, the building went up so quickly. Everybody who came on the property just thought it was a miracle, like what happened overnight.
The building being concrete, it's literally maintenance-free. We have many dogs running around, jumping at the walls, and to date, from the time that we opened, we have not had any issues whatsoever maintenance-wise.
One of the issues we have with normal masonry construction is water migration through a building. With tilt-up construction, we have a concrete wall, we have 2 inches of insulation, and another concrete wall with very high PSI concrete. It's practically water repellent. And with tilt-up wall construction, it made that process a lot easier. It takes some of the liability actually away from an architect. It worked very well for us, and I was very happy with it.
When we compared tilt-up construction with other construction methods, we looked at 3 key things. One was, is this a good product? Is this a product that's going to perform in the way that our clients need? 2, is it going to be able to be delivered in the time frames that we need them to be delivered in? And 3, is it going to have the same price points or exceed the price points or the economies of scale that we need them to be delivered in? And the answer to all 3 of those questions is a resounding yes. And that's why we are such strong proponents of the Bedrock tilt-up wall system.
It saves an enormous amount of time. It's very cost effective, and it's clean, it's fast, and very flexible.
We would absolutely recommend Bedrock to anyone looking to do any type of project, whether it's a school, an office building, a church, or a sports facility. They are a tremendous resource and really a tremendous partner to have on your project.